Welcome. I'm Alex Savage. Thank you for joining me for this meditation created to awaken your crown chakra, your center of unity, wholeness, and divine connection. This is Sahasrara, where you dissolve the boundary between self and something infinite. The crown chakra isn't about achieving anything. It's about releasing everything, and in that emptiness, finding yourself connected to all things. We're going to open that gateway. Let's begin. Sit comfortably, spine tall. Close your eyes. 3 deep breaths in through the nose. Out through the mouth, slowly. In. Out. And in through the nose. Out through the mouth, slowly. Quick scan upward. Red roots anchoring you at the base. Orange water flowing in your lower belly. Golden fire burning strong in your solar plexus. Green love radiating from your heart. Blue truth flowing through your throat. Indigo clarity shining at your third eye. Good. Now rise from the third eye up through the center of your head to the very crown, right at the top where all 7 meet. This is Sahasrara, your gateway to the infinite. Rest your attention at the crown of your head, the space at the very top where 1,000 petals meet. Not forcing anything, just noticing. Feel what it's like to arrive here. This is the completion, the place where all the work below, all the grounding, all the opening, all the truth-telling and seeing meets something boundless. Maybe there's a sense of lightness here. Maybe there's a sense of vastness. Maybe there's just stillness. Notice what's there. Now picture a soft, luminous light at the crown of your head. Pure white or pale gold or violet, whatever color comes. Radiant. Boundless. This light has always been here, waiting for you to arrive. This is your connection, your wholeness. The part of you that has never been separate from everything else. With each inhale, draw all the light from your lower chakras upward. Red, orange, gold, green, blue, indigo, up through your spine and into the crown. Let them all meet here. Let them all become one. With each exhale, release what keeps you feeling separate. The illusion of isolation. The illusion that you're alone in this. The walls between you and everything. Inhale, all light rises exhale, the boundaries soften. Let the light at your crown begin to expand. First breath, a glow at the center. Second breath, it widens. Third breath, it extends upward and outward, like petals opening, like rays of light with no beginning and no end. Now, in this expanded space, begin to sense something vast, not separate from you, woven through you. The presence in all things, the presence you are part of, the silence behind all sound, the light behind all form, the consciousness that witnesses everything. You don't have to name it or understand it. Just feel it. Feel yourself as part of it. The Thousand-Petaled Lotus is blooming now. Steady, radiant, dissolving the line between you and everything. You are still you, but you are also this. You are also all of it. Breathe into it. Feel the release of any remaining tension. Your shoulders drop. Your jaw softens. Your breath becomes almost imperceptible. You're not trying to reach anything. You're already here. You've always been here. Let your breath and words sink. Let each repetition feel less like a wish and more like a remembering. By the last one, you're not asking to belong. You know you do. Inhale. I am whole. Exhale. I am connected to all. Inhale. I am whole. Exhale. I am connected to all. Inhale. I am whole. Exhale. I am connected to all. Let the light at your crown settle into a steady, constant glow. It's not going anywhere. You carry this connection with you always. Bring awareness back to your body. Gently notice your entire form, from your feet all the way to the crown. Notice how you sit in space. Notice how the air touches your skin. Notice that you are both individual and infinite at once. When you're ready, open your eyes. Slow. Notice how the world looks when you're seeing from this place of wholeness. The light on things. The aliveness in all of it. The connection in every moment. This has been a meditation with Alex Savage. Thank you for joining me. Return here whenever you need to remember that you are whole and you are part of everything. Until next time, Namaste.